Dogman and Cat Kid, written by Dave Pilkey, published by Graphics and Scholastic. What's up, Poochies? We're George and Harold. Me too! As you might remember, we're in the 5th grade now. That means we're totally mature. And deep too, y'all. Anywho, our new teacher has been making us read all of these old-timey books lately.
My, what a splendid book, my good man. Let me just adjust my monocle so I may imbibe its essence more indubitably.
Those aren't monocles, they're just plastic rings from plastic milk jugs. What? We can't use our imaginations anymore?
So, anyway, East of Eden is actually a pretty cool book about good and evil and stuff.
It totally inspired us. So we started making a brand new Dogman graphic novel. It's a tale of good, a tale of evil, and a tale of stuff. But before we begin, let's recap our story thus far. One time, a cop and a police dog got hurt in an explosion. Kablooey! In the hospital, the doctor gave them sad news. Your head is dying, cop. Aw, man. And your body is dying, dog. But then, Nurse Lady got a great idea. Let's sew the dog's head onto the cop's body.
You're a genius.
Hooray! So they had a big operation. And like a warrior born of adversity, a hero arose from the ashes. Hooray for Dogman! Along the way, Dogman has made some great friends. And one terrible enemy. I'll get you, Dogman, if it's the last thing I do. In our last story, Pity tried to make a clone of himself. But his clone was a kitten. Things went from bad to worse. But one lucky night, all of that changed. Little Pity found a new home. But can he escape his destiny? Chapter 1, The Kitty Sister, by George and Harold. Early one morning, clunk, 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 clunk. Click, click, ratch, 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 crack, ratch, 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 ratch. Good morning, Dogman. I'm fixing my robot, ADHD. Ring, 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 ring. Dogman! It's me, Chief. You're late again. Get to work now. You're who? Hello there. Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm Mrs. Suspicion Flame, the world's greatest babysitter. Here's my card and my impressive list of references. I specialize in cat sitting, and I can start today. Bye, Dogman. Have fun at work. Well, hello there, young man. Hi, Papa. I'm not your papa. Yes, you are. I'm a professional governess. I've got a British accent and everything. I sing songs about how much fun it is to clean up your room and stuff. Okay, prove it. Sing me a song. Okay, I will. Just a spoonful of high fructose corn syrup gives the medicine possible side effects which may include
nausea, headaches, dry mouth, runny nose, and diarrhea.
Ah, look. Can you give me the vice grip? Yeah, here you go. Thanks. What you doing?
I'm fixing ADHD.
Hey, did you add the solar panels?
Yeah,
Wow, you can't even see them. Interesting. Thanks. Hey, where are all the missiles?
I took them out.
Why? 88G is my friend. He doesn't need missiles. ADHD is not your friend.
Yes, he is.
Here, I'll show you. Flip yourself over, ADHD. See? He's just obeying you. I programmed him to do that. Obedience does not equal friendship. He's still my friend. No, he's not. First you remove his missiles. Then you give him solar panels. How does he get any power at night?
He doesn't.
He sleeps at night, just like me. That does it. You and I need to have a talk.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
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 No, we don't.
Look, I'll buy you some ice cream. Okay, let's go.